Puffs, today I have a kind of huge, not really, Funko unboxing. Now, it's been a hot minute since I've done a video like this because I'll be honest with you guys, I have not bought Funko Pops for a while now. I mean, I do have a few. I should have just made this a collective video. However, I mean, I want to focus on what's in this box. So, I did get maybe, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 7 or 8 new Funko Pops recently, but this is like a little while back, if that makes any sense. And then now finally on I'm sorry, I am dying in the sweater right now with the studio lights. So yeah, I saw these on Instagram. They finally got new Harry Potter Funko Pops, and not just like 1 or 2, okay? Like Funko was just like, boom, let's hit them with a whole bunch of Funko Pops. And I'm like, really guys? So, you know how I am. I did not want to miss out on my Funko Pops. My precious Pops. I want to be caught up with them. So I ordered this. It's been sitting for 4 days on my desk. And I'm like, you know what? I had to go grocery shopping earlier with my mom. It is currently 5:09, but it feels like midnight. It is so dark and disgusting out there. We're having a rainstorm. And I'm filming this. So, you know, the lighting, I'm surprised that it's as good as it's gonna get, okay? Because it's dark and I really wanted to get this up. And honestly, I know people make mistakes. We're all human, but I feel like people mess up things so much nowadays. Like, everyone rushes, it doesn't take their time. And I was hoping that they put the right Pops in this box because I was like, I don't want to deal with the return thing and all of that jazz because I already had enough issues with online orders. I can't even talk properly. Orders this year because, you know, everything's just like, it's crazy. And the exchanging and correcting and refunds, and it's not fun. It's actually really annoying because everyday life is busy as it is. So with the Funko Pops, as I was saying, you know, I got off on that little rant. They didn't really have any that interest me. I'm not really into Marvel and stuff like that. I mean, I do like Spider-Man, so I do want that new Spider-Man Funko Pop. But other than that, I'm not really into Marvel, so... And then, like, those odds and end Funko Pops that they keep coming out with, or those really ugly designs and stuff, like, they have, like, weird Funkos, like, they're running out of ideas. So I was happy when they came out with the new Harry Potter ones. And I see some new Disney ones, but I don't want to take a chance to pre-order them because I had so many experiences where you pre-order them, and I hate that thing where they take the money in and out of your account. That's just annoying. And then sometimes you see them on the shelves in the stores, and they're way cheaper, and they have, like, better deals, and... that just came out so weird. But yeah, like, they're way cheaper, they have better deals in the store, and then you're like, wait, I just pre-ordered that and paid shipping and everything, you know? So it's like, sometimes I'm like, should I just pre-order it? Should I chance it and just wait? It's hard to know what to do nowadays with the Funko Pops because everything's all messed up. But this one, I think it was only exclusive to, yes, the Funko shop. Look how beautiful and stunning that is. I mean... can we not take a moment? I just said, can we not take a moment? Forgive me. I'm so exhausted and I have so many things. I got a lot of Christmas shopping done. Did you guys get any of your shopping done? Oh, okay. And then I literally spent like 3 days wrapping gifts. On top of that, doing extra things and like errands. And then this light doesn't last us anymore. It gets dark at like 2 o'clock. I'm not even exaggerating. Like by the time 2 o'clock rolls around, it's like darkish. Does that make sense? Like, and I'm just like, where in the world, you know? And to make content for you guys, I have studio lights, but you know, I still need natural light to do some things. It's crazy. And then the lighting is off in my backyard. It's like dark back in the backyard where I always take photos, and then in the front it's like light, but then sometimes it's the opposite, and then I have to go around, and then sometimes the sun is too sharp. It's like, you can't win. I probably sound so dramatic right now, but I mean, on the bright side, today was the free red cup day at Starbucks, and I got 3 because my sisters and I got Starbucks, and I was so happy. I was so stressed out though because I had so many things to do. I didn't get to go to Starbucks early. And I think we went at like 3 or 4 something, and they had only 20 left, so we like jet down there and we got them, and I'm so happy. Thank God. But yes, here's Hermione. She's so cute, isn't she? This is like an unboxing slash like rant. I don't know. But I like to make my things like personable, so I like to talk to you guys while I show things. Isn't that cute? I fixed the batteries in my curtain lights because I realized in my other videos I was like, why does it look like that? Duh. My sister was like, I think the batteries need to change. So I did that and now it's pretty. I'm like, okay. I don't know. I got new lights, but I mean, they're at the top there. They have like little feathers. I got them from Shein for like $3. That's not bad. Look at these earrings, by the way. They keep getting stuck in my hair. Really, Sam? This is not the time. We're not gonna do this on camera, are we? Yeah, but look how cute they are. Stunning. My brother got them for me at Ross. They were only $6.99. Like, isn't that a steal or what? But yes, here is cute little Harry with his Philosopher's Stone. So cute. I love the detail on this pop. I have to add this to my pop count on Instagram because this is cute. I have had that Gringotts Goblin pre-ordered since summertime. And the date keeps going up. And it was supposed to be released recently. And it still didn't take the money out. And it's still stuck. What is going on? This is what's driving me nuts about the Funko Pops thing. But like Target, especially, you guys know how that works with Funko Pops. You're not gonna get them. They don't even make it off the truck. I know how this goes. I even hear people talk about it, so it's not like I don't have facts to back me up. Like, I know the employees take them for themselves or sell them to friends or family or just take them for friends and family. I'm not dumb. Because I've seen this, I've heard this so many times, and other people say it too. Not just me. So I was like, you know, this is all like exclusive to Target. All of those like little pieces. And I was like, are you kidding me? As if Funkos weren't hard enough to get. You're gonna make them all Target exclusives? Like, are we gonna even get them? So I better get my Gringotts Goblin. And I want the rest of the set, but let's see what happens. Because right now, I don't know if I'm gonna get them or not. I mean, I am thinking positive, but I just can't trust people, you know what I mean? And then here's Wan. He's cute. I love this. Yeah, I see like Lady Tremaine. And I see this really cool Ursula one. There's the Queen of Hearts in a teacup from Alice in Wonderland. It's all on Target's app. What else did I see on there? The Evil Queen. Hades. There's some other ones. And they're really cool pops. But I'm like, do I really want to chance it and like pre-order all of those and then like not get them at all, or just keep having the money go in and out of my account? My hair keeps getting stuck in my earrings. So that was it for today's unboxing. Please let me know down below what your favorite pop in this haul was. I like all of them, but I mean, I had to admit, it's about time they made one with him catching his letters because that's so cute. I love this pop so much. I really wish that I could open all of my Funko Pops and just like plop them on the shelves, but hopefully soon. I would love to take them out the boxes. They're so beautiful and cute. I mean, I don't want to keep them in the box. Like, where's the fun in that? I don't like to keep things in the box. Depends on what it is. But yeah, like, let me know what your favorite pop was down below. Are you guys going to even attempt to get any of these new pops from this wave? And do you even collect Funko Pops? I know some people said that they stopped. It's too much and it takes up too much space. And, you know, some people just can't keep up with them. I mean, it does stress me out, but I mean, I love to do it though. And they make me happy. So I'm not going to stop anytime soon with Funko Pops. And I am definitely going to be achieving. I know I am keeping, you know, my head strong. I'm keeping it up there. I will get all of these Funko Pops. I will definitely be doing a haul and a post when I get the rest of those Funko Pops. And I will surely let you guys know when that Goblin comes because I'm so excited. So if you guys want to see more videos like this and DIYs and other fun holiday videos and just so much more on this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notifications bell, leave some comments down below. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!